Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete friends on Snapchat. So if you want to delete someone on Snapchat, or if you want to remove someone on Snapchat which you have accidentally added or by your own, then this video is absolutely for you. So you guys have to simply open up Snapchat application and head over the below message icon. So after coming to your inbox section, now you guys have to simply select any of the contact which you want to remove as a friend. So assume that I'm going to just, so after holding the chat of the anyone which you want to delete, you guys have to simply hold on the chat. So let's suppose I'm selecting any one of them. So after tapping on that, now you guys have to simply go to manage friendship section, which is the second option. So after clicking on the second option, now you guys have three options. The first one is block, and second one is report, and third one is remove friend. So you guys have to simply select the third one option. So after clicking on remove a friend, now you guys have to just simply click on this remove button. So after tapping on that remove button, you guys can delete friend on Snapchat. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.